Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing this really pretty purple look. I love purples, I love greens. As most of you probably already know, we had a happy little mistake and I made it into little polka dots and stars. And I just love how this look turned out. I know I say that every single time, but honestly I just do. We're using the LA Girl Mainstage palette again and the Profusion Pastel palette. It makes a great companion palette. With this palette, it's great. So Profusion eyeshadow primer and the Hard Candy Chill and Wonder powder under my eye to catch fallout. And of course I'm taking the LA Girl Mainstage eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be picking up the shimmery purple in the palette. And on a shader brush, I'm going to apply that in my outer corner, up against the orbital bone and slightly into the crease. And I am going to pat this so I can build this shade up. Little by little. It does take quite a bit of blending, but I'm just going to keep working on it until I'm satisfied and we'll move on to the next shade. So from the Profusion Pastel palette, I'm taking the very light pastel purple shade and I'm going to apply that in the rest of my inner corner crease area and slightly onto the shimmery purple I applied in the outer corner. Once all this is blended and everything, you can hardly tell that that's a shimmery purple. And honestly, I just don't care even if anybody could, because I still think it looks good. Next up in the LA Girl, our Mainstage palette, I'm going to be taking the light shimmery purple. This kind of is a shifty shade as well. And I was going to apply this wet, but I decided to just go for it on a flat shader brush. And so I'm just kind of patting that and dragging it and pressing it into the lid all at the same time to get it to really adhere. It is a bit of a sheer shade also, but I built it up and you can't see the eyelid anymore. I'm also applying that light shimmery purple shade in the inner corner as well. It is so pretty. And now I am just going to continue to add in the outer corner, blend with the lid shade, and I'm going to be taking the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin under the brow. This is on a large shader brush and I'm just going to kind of press that under the brow, slightly bring it down into the crease, trying to blend out the crease shades. Once that's done, I'm going to take the shimmery shade I applied in my outer corner and apply it to my lower lash line. You're also going to see me pick up the pastel palette again and I'm going to use that light pastel purple on the rest of the lower lash line. I'm also going to take that same purple and I'm going to apply that against the crease line of the shimmery dark purple and back in the inner portion of the crease too. Blend that with the brow bone. This is AOA Studio liquid eyeliner pen and it's just in the shade purple. And I'm going to do a quick little wing here because I'm going to do a double liner. I love the double liner. I'm kind of obsessed with it. So there's my little mistake, and instead of just doing away with it, I put some little fast little stars and polka dot star kind of thing around my eye. I love doing fun stuff like this sometimes. This is the Profusion Bright Lights liquid eyeliner in purple, and I'm just applying a thin layer of that above my wing eyeliner for my double wing eyeliner effect. Now this is from AOA Studio. It's their gel eyeliner in Starfish. It's amazing. This is also from AOA Studio, a Wisp mascara in purple for my lower lashes. And I also use the WetnWild Breakup eyeliner to tightline with. This is AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and Shein Fluffy Cateye lashes, and these lashes, I love them. I've talked about them in every video I use them in. I'm obsessed with these eyelashes. They're awesome. This is WetnWild Big Poppy Mascara, or Big Poppa Mascara, and I'm going to apply a layer of that to make my real lashes kind of mesh with the false lashes, and this is the finished look. But for lips, I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and I believe this is called Daydreamer, and I just applied that to the lips, and in the outer corners I took Hard Candy's All Matte Up Plus lip crayon in the outer corners of my lips to do a little bit of a ombre lip there. It's in So Spicy. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the tutorial helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more tutorials using this palette. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box out for additional links as well as a product list. And thank you so very much for watching.